you will have to correct me. What will you say? There is no file. There is no file. You should be, and if you do not correct me, then I think there are two possibilities. Either you are sleeping in the class, or your mind is somewhere else. Are you with me? So you got to be careful. I'll be catching you. Huh? Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. I'm just joking. MashaAllah, brothers and sisters, you are one of the best group of students I have come across. MashaAllah, I admire your dedication. I admire your enthusiasm. And I admire your perseverance. And may Allah bless you with more knowledge. And may Allah bless you with the knowledge of His language and His book, inshallah. Inshallah. Fine, brother and sister. Yumkinuka al-husulu. What is al-husulu? This is mastar. Like sujud, nuzul, khuruj. What is the verb? Hasala. Hasala yahsulu. Write it down, brothers and sisters. Hasala yahsulu. What is the meaning of hasala? To obtain, to get, to obtain. And brothers and sisters, hasala will always be followed by harf jar ala. Hasala ala. Are you with me? Hasala ala. So, yumkinuka al-husulu alayha, ha goes to the books, majjanan. What is majjanan? No. Okay, it's maf'ulun mutlaq. What is it? Maf'ulun mutlaq. Now, because you will be coming across maf'ulun mutlaq soon, I want you to write down this, brother. What will you write it down, brother and sister? Huh? What is it? Husulan majjanan. Remember, maf'ulun mutlaq is the mastar from the verb that is used in the sentence. So, husulu, brothers and sisters, al-husulu, you can change into mastar muawwal. So, how will you change it? Yumkinuka an tahsula. What will you say? Write down. Yumkinuka an tahsula. Okay? An Now, brothers and sisters, there are some things I'm going in detail. Because if you write it down now, Sister Hafsa, if you write down everything that I write on the board, and then when you will revise once or twice, you will have a complete understanding of it. And then when you will stand up and teach, you will teach with confidence, inshallah. So, when there is a yumkinu, we know most of the time the file is al-mastar al-muawwal. And then that al-mastar and muawwal can change into a proper mastar. And now for us to switch them around to see whether we can do it or not. Are you with me, brother? So shira'u became an ashtariya. And al-husulu became, because it is addressed to yumkinuka. So we will say an tahsula. Alayha will remain alayha. Now when you say tahsula, and then you will say husulan majjanan. So husulan is the mastar, and it is the maf'ulun mutlaq, which is not written. So majjanan is your naat. when maf'ulun mutlaq is not mentioned, then the naat takes the place of maf'ulun mutlaq. See, I want you to write it, even if you don't understand 100%. Because what will happen, brothers and sisters? We will pass on. Majjanan means free of charge. What is the meaning of majjanan? Free of charge. No cost. But then somebody will ask you, what is majjanan? It's mansub. Tell me, teacher, what is it? What will you answer? I don't know. But you can't say that. Now you know. What is majjanan? It is maf'ulun mutlaq. And how did it come to be maf'ulun mutlaq? Then you will write down the proper sentence. You know? How will you write down the sentence? Husulan majjanan. And in order to write down husulan, then you must also know that it is coming from yumkinuka an tahsula alayha husulan majjanan. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? If you can write it and understand, what happens? I think either my watch is wrong. It is wrong? No, it is not wrong. When the lesson becomes very interesting, then what happens to the time? It flies. Brothers and sisters, I think we'll stop here. We'll take a break and we'll start again from this sentence, inshallah. Let us take a short break. Okay, inshallah. I didn't realize. You also didn't feel anything. Alhamdulillah. Okay, brothers and sisters, I will read the sentence again. We are back from our break. Al-Mudir, هذه الكتب لا تباع. These books are not sold. Yumkinuka, see ka came. Then al-husulu is your file. And if I want to change al-husulu into masdar muawwal, then I will say an tahsula. An tahsula. Alayha. Remember, hasala, Allah has to come. Okay? And then majjanan. So, where is the maf'ulun mutlaq? Husulan majjanan. If you use husulan, then majjanan becomes the naat. But if you do not have the husulan as a masdar, as a maf'ulun mutlaq, then the majjanan takes the position of maf'ulun mutlaq. We are going to do it in many situations. I'll be telling you whether. As I was telling Sister Maimuna, fahimtu darsa jayidan. What is the meaning of fahimtu darsa jayidan? What is jayidan? Maf'ulun mutlaq. But if I say to you, fahimtu darsa fahman jayidan, then fahman is maf'ulun mutlaq and jayidan is the naat. But you do not see maf'ulun mutlaq, then jayidan took the place of maf'ulun mutlaq. Fahimtu darsa jayidan, then jayidan is maf'ulun mutlaq. But if I say fahimtu darsa fahman jayidan, which is the meaning of jayidan, fahman jayidan, then fahman is maf'ulun mutlaq and jayidan is naat. You are going to get a lot. See, in book 1 and 2, I was only mentioning maf'ulun mutlaq. Now, whenever it comes, I will be pointing it out to you. So that by the time when we come to maf'ulun mutlaq, you will have a pretty good idea what we are going to learn, inshallah. And you will find maf'ulun mutlaq very interesting, inshallah. Because it will have many verses from the Quran. Okay. Min markazi, you know markazi, center, shu'unin, affairs. What is the meaning of shu'unin? Affairs. What is the singular? Sha'anun. Are you with me, brother? Sha'anun. Min markazi shu'unil da'wati. What is the meaning of da'wati? Invitation. This is the special department in the university, and the job is that it invites students from different countries, and it arranges everything. Okay. The center of the affairs of invitation, you can say. Min harf jar, markazi, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, shu'unin, mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf, and finally, ad-da'wati, mudaf ilayhi. Fine. Yadkhulu sakin, the cupbearer has come. Saka yaski sakin. Wa yasubbu lahuma kahwata, and pours for them the kahwa. Fine, brothers and sisters. So sakin, saka yaski, huwa sakin. This is mankus. Okay, this is the file. Yadkhulu sakin. Sakin is the file. Fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi dammatul muqaddara alal ya'i mahzufati. Alal ya'i mahzufati. Fine. Now Mahdi says, Ad'uka, I invite you. Ad'uka li ziyarati Madina. I invite you to visit our institute. Hadihi bitakati. This is my business card. Bitakatun means business card. Okay. Wa fiha unwani. Wa unwanu Mahdi. Okay. Fiha jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is the mubtada? Unwanu. Okay. How will you describe unwanu? Mubtada marfuun wa alamatu raf'ihi dammatun muqaddara ala ma qabla ya'i. Here you will say, only with ya mutakallim you will say ala ma qabla ya'il mutakallim. Inshallah you will remember. Fine. Ana, brothers and sisters, mad'uun. What is the meaning of mad'uun? The one who has been invited. Ism maful from da'a yad'u. I am an invitee. Li hudurin mu'tamarin. To attend a conference. What is the meaning of mu'tamarun? Conference, convention. Fi Pakistan ba'da ashhurin. After few months. Sa antahizu. What is the meaning of antahizu? Agtanimu. What is it? Igtanama and intahaza has the same meaning. Are you with me, brother and sister? Igtanama, is equal to Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Same meaning. To seize, to take, to seize, to take or seize. Okay. Santahizu hazil fursata. And what was before we said that? Faqtanamtu hazil fursata. I seized that opportunity. Sa came, I will take that opportunity. Wa azuru, and I will visit mahadakum, your institute, inshallah. Okay. There, as-saqi, do you see as-saqi? Now it is, brothers and sisters, with ya. Because alif lam came, ya became visible. Asubu laka mazidan min al-kahwati. Shall I pour you more coffee? Asubu laka mazidan. What is mazidan? No. It is mafulun bihi. maf'ulun bihi. Asubu mazidan. Shall I pour? Pour what? Are you with me? Pour what? More coffee. Pour what? So here mazidan is maf'ulun bihi. But I wanted to ask you, what is mazidan? Ism maf'ul. Zada, yazidu, zaidun, and mazidun. Mazidun is ism maf'ul. Ism maf'ul. Fine, brother. La wa shukran. Astaghfiruka. Astaghfiruka. What is astaghfiruka? Form 10. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Brother Abdul Samad? What is the Mahdi, Brother Abdul Samad? Ista'zana. Ista'zana. To take permission. What is the root? Azina. Astaghfiruka. I take your permission, al-ana, ya fazilata shaykhi. O honorable Shaykh, I take your permission to leave now. Jazakallahu khairan. Al-mudir. Ilal likai. Brother, this is very beautiful dua. I would like you to highlight it. Very beautiful dua. Sahibatka as-salamatu. Where is the verb? Sahiba. Brother Abdul Samad? Sahiba is the verb. What is this ta doing here? Why it is doing? It means the file has to be muannas. Where is the file? Salamatu. So, sahibatka ka is mafulun bihi. As-salamatu means, may the peace and safety accompany you. Sahiba means to accompany, to become your companion. Sahiba means to be, let the peace and safety become your companion. Fi halli wa tarhali, while you are staying here and then while you are on your journey. Okay. In other words, brothers and sisters, in your staying here and in your traveling, may the peace be your companion. How beautiful it is. In Arabic, the du'as are really, truly marvelous. And inshallah, we'll come across many of these du'as, inshallah. This is nice dua, brother. So, highlight it and maybe someday you can use it, inshallah. Tamarinu. Where are we, brothers and sisters? On what page we are now? 51. Page 51, Tamarinu. Okay. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Man is za'iru. What will be your answer, brother? Huwa muhadirun fi mahadil lughatil arbiyati bi Lahore. Okay. Masmuhu, ismuhu, mahdiyun. Ismuhu, mahdiyun. Okay. Lima zar al-mahada, brother? لأنه يحب أن أطلع على مناهجه وكتبه. Inshallah, you will be able to write it. No, brother, we just studied the lesson, and I don't expect that every line has been memorized. But inshallah, when you study and revise at home, you will be able to write the answers. And once you write it, you will check it with Hello Tamari. Atubau kutubul mahdi? La tubau. Fine. Min aina yumkinu husulu alayha? Okay, brother? Yumkinu husulu alayha majjanan min markazi shonil dawati. Fine, brother? Now, brothers and sisters, we did the next exercise. Are you with me? We don't have to do it again. Should we do again? No, we have done it. Now number 3. Exercise number 3, brothers and sisters. Ayyin af'al al-jawfa. Ajwaf, what is the plural? Jawfa. Fi amthilatil atiyati. Only, brothers and sisters, ajwaf. Become bi'at sayaratuka ya Zubair. What will be the translation? For how much was your call sold for? Was your car sold for? That will be the translation, brother. What is the answer? Bi'at. Bi. Where is the knife fall for bi'at? Mustatir. But where is the knife fall in the first sentence? Sayaratu. Are you with me? That is your knife file. Sayaratu. Biyat bi ashrati alafi riyalan. It was sold for 10,000 riyal. Huna tubau suhufa wal majallatu. Translation, brother. Here, newspapers and magazines are sold. Okay, brother, tubau. Got the idea? That is your ba'a yabiu. Okay? Fine. So, bi'at is madi. Bi'at, actually it is bi'at. Okay? Fine. Yuqalu. What is the meaning of yuqalu? It is said, Inna hadhihi al-arda satubau bil mazadi. What is the meaning of mazadi? Auction. Auction. What is the meaning of mazadi? Auction. It is said that this land will be sold by auction. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. Yuqalu thamaru aw yuzanu. Brother, in the previous sentence, yuqalu was our verb to be highlighted or underlined, and satuba'u. Tuba'u is what you will underline and highlight. Yuqalu. At-tamaru. So what is at-tamaru? Knife file. Are the dates measured? Yuzan or weighed. See, when you want to go and buy dates, you don't know. Are they sold by weight or just by measure? So much in a packet or something like that, you know. So, yuqalu, what is madi? Kala yakilu. And what is yuzanu? What is madi? Wazana yazinu. Wazana yazinu. I hope you are familiar with the words. These are the verbs we have done it. Okay. Bitanzili in the Quran, brother. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ. Now here is something that I would like to inform you, brothers and sisters. إِذَا. When. Now إِذَا is a ismu shart. What is it, brothers and sisters? It's a noun which creates a condition. And this is what we are going to learn in lesson number 14 and 15. And brothers, to me, the lesson number 14 and 15 are the most beautiful lessons in book 3. Because what you will learn in those lessons will enlighten you with so much knowledge of Quran that it is going to surprise you, brother. Most of the people are unaware of this thing because they don't study the language of the Quran, so they do not know the beauty and the eloquence and the majesty of the Quran. You know, English translation is okay, but it is not enough. You miss out the beauty and miss out the real intensity and the power of the language, of the message. You miss out, brother and sister. So, inshallah, we'll be doing it, and you will see how beautiful those two lessons are. and how much knowledge they give you, brother. So Iza, brothers and sisters, creates a condition. That's what I want to tell you for the time being. But when the Iza comes, followed by fi'l madi, the translation is for present. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? The translation is present or future. Huh? See? Iza qila lahum, no. Qila lahum, it was said to them. But if Iza comes, then you will translate this in the present tense. What will you say? When it is said to them. Are you with me, brother? Now here is another beautiful sentence, brother. Iza jaa nasrullahi wal fath. It's fathu. Okay? Now, jaa is madi. But how will you translate here iza jaa? When the help comes. When the help of Allah comes. Why did you do it in the present tense? Because iza came. So when iza comes, followed by fi'l madi, that fi'l madi will be translated in present tense or future tense. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. So, brother, وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ, see, otherwise you will not be able to do the translation of this sentence. Iza came, now I will translate the fi'l madi into present tense. When it is, when they are told, what is it? إِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ, when they are told, what are they told? Urka'u, prostrate. La yarka'una. Go into ruku, they don't go into ruku. Huh? Same way, brother, in Surah Al-Baqarah, inshallah, someday we will analyze it. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ. What is this muslihuna? And what is this tufsidu? We are going to, inshallah, next time get an opportunity, we'll analyze it. These ayats, we will, inshallah, analyze it. Number 4, did we do number 4? Yes. Number 5? Yes. Number 6? Yes. Number 7? Yes. Number 8? Yes. This way we'll finish the book tonight. Number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, and now you have to do 15. This also we did it in a way, because we were highlighting ism fa'il, ism maf'ul from the main dars. We were highlighting, we were underlining, but brothers and sisters, you will do it one more time with different columns. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? We will go to main lesson and put, if it is ism fa'il, make one column for ism fa'il, one column for ism maf'ul, and then describe the verb. And describe the kind. Is it naqis al-wawi? Is it ajwaf al-wawi? Is it mithal al-wawi? Is it mudaf? Are you with me? Is it mahmuz al-fa'i? Everything that you do, inshallah. Fine, brother. And here is the example given. Ismu fa'il, ismu maf'ul, al-fi'lu alladhi ushtuqqa minhu, derived from now al-fi'li. Everything you will mention. Madi mudariya, and then the kind. Okay? For example, brother, I give you one example. Dalun. What is dalun? It is ism fa'il. Okay? What is the verb? Dalla yadullu. What is the kind? Mudaf. That's the way you do it. Brother, if you come and see my notes, I have really done it religiously. I never missed it because I felt this is the only opportunity for us to get stronger. You are welcome to see my notes later on. Okay? But I won't give you to take home. Okay. Number 16, we are going to do it. Inshallah. Ayyin أسماء الفاعلين والمفعولين في الجملة الآتية واذكر أصل كل واحد منها وفعل الذي اشتق منه والنوع هذا الفعل. Okay, brothers and sisters. But I will do more. Abi Qadin. Abi Qadin. Brother Abdul Samad, what kind of a sentence is this? Jumla Ismiya. Where is Mubtada? Abu. Abu Bahuwa Mudaf. Mudaf ilayhi. How will I describe Abu? Abu Mubtada Marfoon wa alamatu raf'ihi dammatun muqaddara alama qabla ya'il mutakallimi wa huwa mudaf ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. Very good. And by Qadin khabarun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi dammatun muqaddara alal ya'i mazufati. Got the idea? Now you don't have to, brother, but if you feel like, you can do it. It will be a fun part of it to do it, inshallah. Ma ajmala hazal bayt al mabniya bil hajari. Okay, brothers and sisters. So our main in exercise number 1 was Qadin. Because we are going to take Ism Fa'il and Ism Maf'ul. Okay, fine. Brothers and sisters. Ma ajmala hadhal bayta al mabniya bil hajari. Translation. How beautiful house built with stone. Okay. Fine. Al bayta al mabniya. That is your naat. So what is al mabniya? Ism maf'ul. Ism maf'ul. What is the verb? Bana yabni. What is the kind? Al naqis al ya'i. You will write down naqis al ya'i. And even in qadin, okay, what is the verb? Qada yaqdi. You will write down all these things. You will write down the verbs. So here we have, you can make 4 columns. Ism fa'il, ism maf'ul, and then fi'lul ladhi ushtuqqa minhu, the fi'l from which it is derived, and then naw'ul fi'li, kind of verb. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So qadin is ismu fa'il, and what is the verb? Qada yaqdi, and what is that verb? Al-naqisu al-ya'i. Al-naqisu al-ya'i. MashaAllah. And what is the next one, brothers and sisters? That we came mabniyun. What is mabniyun? You'll put it into ism maf'ul, in the column of ism maf'ul. And what is it, brother? Bana yabni. And what is the kind? Naqis al-ya'i. Very good, brother. Asaimun anta. Are you fasting? We should ask Sister Maynaz every time she comes. Asaimatun anti. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you, Sister Maynaz. And Sister Nasrin, you, for your stamina and for your devotion, inshallah. Okay. Because every time I invite Sister Maynaz for the snacks, she said, I'm fasting. Alhamdulillah. Okay, but what is Saimun? Ismu fa'il. Okay, from what verb? Sama yasumu. What kind? Ajwaf al-wawi. Are you with me, brother and sister? This exercise, brother, is truly halwa puri. With lots of special, badam, pista, all the cashews and nuts spread over it. Why? Very good, brother. Oh, it's lunchtime and this sentence come. It's the lunchtime and this sentence has come. What is the sentence? Ohebbu. What is the meaning of ohebbu? I love. What do you love? Lahm al-mashwiya. I love barbecue meat. I love shish kebab. Huh? Well, baida, makhliya, boiled egg. Huh? No, fried. This is fried. Huh? Masluko is boiled. Huh? Fine. So, brothers and sisters, what is lahm al-mashbiya? Lahma is mafulun bihi. And what is al-mashbiya? Naat. Huh? And baida will go to the ma'tufun ala lahma, and makliya is your naat. Oh, brother, what is mashbiya? Ism maf'ul. What is the verb? Shawa yashvi. Naqis al-ya'i. Fine, brother. And makliya, what is the verb? Kala yakli. Huh? And it is naqis al-ya'i. Very good, brother. Do you find it interesting, brothers and sisters? It's very interesting exercise. You should do it thoroughly. Okay? Ad-dalu alal khairi. Brother, what is the meaning of dalu alal khairi? The one who advises somebody or directs somebody to good deeds. This is very beautiful. Did I miss anything? No. Ad-dalu alal khairi, the one who guides or advises or points out to somebody on a good deed, kafa'ilihi, as if he has himself done it. That other person may do it or he doesn't do it. But so long as you advise somebody sincerely to do a good deed, it will amount to as if you yourself did the good deed. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? This is a very beautiful thing. So, Sir Nusrat, you have to say something?
I just want to ask you number 2.
Okay. Yeah. Ajmala. Ajmala is, what kind of verb is this? No. Fi'lu ta'ajjub. It is a verb, but it has only one form. Ajmala, akbara, asgara. Are you with me? Ashala. It has got af'ala. It is the verb. Okay. Next time I will write down the grammatical analysis. But ajmala, Sister Nusrat, is a verb. So ajmala is a verb. How beautiful. Beautiful is what? Where is mafulun bihi? Haza. And what is al-baita? Badal. And al-mabniya? Naat. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So truly speaking, brothers and sisters, ma is your mubtada. But I am going to tell you in detail later on. Ma is your mubtada and jumla fi'liya is your khabar. Fi'lu ta'jub comes only in one form. Af'ala. Khalas. You cannot conjugate it. When ma comes with fi'lu ta'jub, then it has only one form. Af'ala. If you have book 2 at home, Sister Maria, there's a whole lesson on fi'lu ta'jub. We studied in book 2. Here you look at the sky at night, but not in the city. You have to go to a countryside and look at the sky at night, and you see so many stars, and you want to see how many stars are there in the sky. What will you say? Ma aksara nujuma fis sama. Ma aksara nujuma. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? You see a house. You see a house. What kind of a house? Monster house. Ma akbar al-bayta. How big this house is. So it is always af'ala. No more. You cannot conjugate. It is not af'alu or anything else, but af'ala. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So do not forget your fi'lu ta'jub, the fi'l of wonder. It comes only in one form, af'ala. Khalas. Okay. Where are we now? Yeah, ad-dalu. So this is from ism fa'il, dalla yadullu, and it is mudaf. Fa'ilihi. What is this fa'ili? Fa'il. Fa'il. What kind of verb is this? Fa'ala yaf'alu. And it is salim. Salim. Qalat li ummi. Translation, brother. Qalat li ummi. This is the last sentence we are doing because we cannot finish it. My mother said to me. Where is the fa'il, brothers and sisters? Ummu wa huwa mudaf and ya mutakallam mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Yes, very good. Malabisuka, your clothes, magsulatun wa makwiyatun. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. Where is mubtada? Malabisu wa mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Where is our khabar? Maksulatun, tun, huh? Maksulatun wa makwiyatun. What is maksulatun? Ism maf'ul. Huh? It is maf'ul. What is the verb? Gasala yagsilu. Huh? What kind of a verb is this? Salim. And then salim, brother. Gasala is salim. Makwiyun. What kind of a verb is this? Kawa yakbi. What is makwiyatun? It is ism maf'ul. And the verb is kawa yakbi. And it is nakis al-ya'i. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. We end here, brothers and sisters. We can go on and on, but we want to end here. And tomorrow, if weather permitting, we'll start from here. I request you to read this well, on your own. Try to figure out on your own. And inshallah, we'll go to the next lesson, which should also is interesting but not very large. We'll finish it quickly, inshallah. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata ayunin waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana zalamna anfusana illam taghfir lana wa tarhamna lanakunanna minal khasirin. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.